Okay, and welcome to this training tutorial from Yanda.io. My name's Chris, I'm the CMO at Yanda, and today I am going to be showing you how to create a trade using the PATS, which is the personal automated trading software inside your Yanda dashboard, which allows you to start automating your cryptocurrency trading automatically. Today, we're going to be using Coinbase Pro. We've got 6 exchanges that you can connect to. So you can connect to 1, 2, 3, or all 6 if you want, and you can trade from all of them from one platform inside Yanda. Okay, you don't have to keep logging in and out of different trading exchanges. You can do it all from one home. Now you can choose from Bittrex, Binance, Coinbase Pro, Yobit, Bitmart, and Poloniex. Like I said, today we're just going to be doing a trade on Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to be trading a BTC LTC. It's one of the 2 pairs that I like. I think they're, in my opinion, a strong crypto pair to trade. And they've got a future. They're not going to be going anywhere just yet. So for me, I'm now going to show you where to go. You're going to click up here onto Coinbase Pro. And if you haven't already got a Coinbase Pro, actually take that a step back. If you don't already have a Yanda.io trading account, what are you doing? Come on. It's easy, right? You just set up an account. You can automate your crypto trading. That means you don't have to sit in front of the screen waiting for the perfect setup to come along to buy in and get out, all right? Crypto markets, they run 24/7, 365 days a year, and they don't sleep, right? Us humans, we have a flaw. We need to sleep. And we just can't do it on our own. So manual trading is great. It works for Forex, and you can automate that as well. But for crypto trading, come on, manual trading, it's dead. You can't do it. It's near impossible for a human to be able to trade crypto markets consistently, profitably, whilst we need to sleep, unless you've got multiple team members that can take shifts in watching the markets, right? So automation, it takes out that that part of the human error, and it makes life a lot easier. So with that said, link below, yanda.io, create an account today, and you can start automating your trading. And then if you haven't got one of the exchanges at the top, I'm also going to drop a link in the bottom of this video as well. And you can you can choose one, you can choose 2 or 3, and you can go. I'd start with 1, but you can go and choose your favorite and open an account with them to then connect your API keys, which you get inside your crypto exchange, and you put that inside your Yanda account. That basically allows the 2 systems to work together. They're perfectly secure. Just make sure that when you do it, you disable, you don't enable withdrawal permissions. That way, only you have access to your money, and only you can give permissions to withdraw funds from your trading account. So we don't touch your funds. They always stay on the trading exchange. So you've got that extra level of security with using Yanda for your automated trading as well. So let's dive in and get a strategy started. So over here on menu, on the left-hand side, we've got loads of other features, but we'll go into those in other videos. And there's plenty of other videos here on YouTube. You can just scroll around and have a little look. So personal automated trading software. And we're also ready on LTC, BTC. If you want to trade another trading exchange, trading currency, cryptocurrency even, you can. Just click on here and you can see all of the verified ones that Coinbase have already ever exchanged. If you want to do something like Ether, you can do Link, BTC, GBP, DAI, Euro, USD, BAT, USDC. But like I said today, LTC, BTC, and you can see here in yellow my available LTC and my available BTC. Now we're just going to be using LTC for now. All right, so LTC, I'm going to copy that in. I'll copy it all. Hopefully it'll accept every single last Litecoin that I've got for the trade. And I'm going to select my base asset as Litecoin. I can just switch between the two, but as I've got my assets in Litecoin, I'm going to start with Litecoin. Investment size, I'm just going to put the whole thing. Kick in price. I to be honest, I never actually fill this out. You can, if you want your strategy to kick in when Litecoin drops to a certain price, you're very welcome to do that. You just click this on or off, which you want, and I have it off. And stop loss. This is if the market was to drop like 50%, then your trade would automatically terminate. I usually keep my stop loss at about 25%. Profits from sell, profits from buys. This is where it's going to buy inside the markets with the profits. So when you reach a 0.6%, it's going to sell, vice versa, etc. So I'm going to set these to, I'm just going to go for like 0.5. So I'll take profits at different parts. And then I'm going to try and end the strategy with LTC because that's what I'm starting the base asset in. But I could just switch between that if I wanted to start end with a different currency. Now, my profit levels, I'm going to drop that down to 0.5. I'm not going to be greedy because when it hits 0.5 on my expected lock-in profits, then I'll get an email notification saying that the strategy's closed, blah, 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 you made this. I'll then go in and reset another strategy based on what the market's doing that day. So you can see here we've got some predictive indexes, 4 down, 2 up. So it's probably going to be going down, looking at the predictions. So I'm probably just going to switch up to that. I will try this strategy. We'll see if this works. Cool. And once you've done that, upper lower restart levels, I will go over this another day. You don't have to use it right now. It makes your trading a little bit more complicated at that time. But you can always search some other videos or blog posts that we've got about that, or jump into the Telegram channel and just ask us a question, and we'll be happy to help you out on that. Okay, so I think everything's looking good. I'm going to start this strategy and quickly review what it is. You can also share the strategy. So if you share a strategy and somebody actually copies your strategy, then you will make the full fee that we would normally take. You would make it on your strategy. You created the strategy, you deserve to be rewarded for that, for the profits that it collects from the person that copied it. So I'm going to share this strategy, and make sure that you read the disclaimer, and then just simply hit start this strategy. Don't refresh the page, it will do that automatically, and boom, we are done. So you can see there my LTC has disappeared, all of it apart from, I don't know, it's probably like less than a cent, but we'll go down, you can see it here. So I can open it up, I can see all the parameters there. This is one way to check it. Personally, I like to go back to the dashboard. And then my strategy, I come up here. You see that I set 2 for today, and I can expand it here. Oh, status, I can expand it here. Coinbase. Okay, so you can see here that I've got this in here. It automatically splits it into 2, so it's split between the BTC and LTC. That helps with the buying and selling, and we've got our parameters here. If I want to terminate it manually at any point, I can just hit that, or as I said before, you can just let it roll. Once it hits those expected profit levels, the trading strategy will just automatically close, and you'll have your profits. And you'll get a little reminder. You just have to come back in and reset another strategy. So that's pretty much it. You can see here, I'll even expand my other trades that I've been doing. So you can see the dates here on the left and the exchange, the pair that I was trading, and also the profits that were coming in. So I'll just scroll down so you can see the types of profits I'm making with my trading. I'm not a professional trader by any means. In the past, I have lost a ton of money manual trading ever since I was like 19, and that was like 16, 17 years ago now. So you can see that, yeah, it's good profits all the way down. And one good thing about Yanda is we actually reached 20,000 trading strategies with our users last week or the week before. And we did an analysis on it, and that actually gives us a 96.9% trading success rate, which is amazing. And that means that our traders, they win 96 point, basically 70%, sorry, 97% of the time when they trade with us, which is amazing. And honestly, I don't know any other company that could prove or say that they've got a trading success rate like that. So there you have it. If you've got any questions, write them down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. You can also join our Telegram group. Also, I will link that in the bottom. Any other questions as well, you can also email us at info@yanda.io, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Speak to you soon.